as I mentioned, we were experienced with testing out mentor platforms. So we knew exactly what we were looking for when we came together. I'll speak on a couple of those pieces. I think, I'll speak to the software second, but first and foremost, we were looking for a partner because, like you said, this isn't necessarily my or anyone's full-time job. So having somebody who is an expert in this space was one of the really big drivers for me. Together helped us with the implementation and figuring out how to build the programs. And then once we launched, I now have a single contact. That's Nikki. Hi, Nikki. And she meets with me monthly. She helps me take a look at our programs, advise on some best practices, really helps kind of steer the solutions for any challenges that we're having. That level of support was and is huge for us. But obviously the software itself was also a huge game changer for us. All of the different pieces that we've talked about so far, the recommended matches, there's mentoring resources that were already built into the platform, the suggested agendas that really make the whole thing flow seamlessly so the mentor, the mentee doesn't have to come to the table with too much pre-work done in advance. There's some help in there already for them. Nathan, you mentioned also the reporting suite. That was a huge selling point for us, having easy access to those quick stats. Like really, really easy for me just to pull it up every single month and be able to put it on a dashboard and get those quick numbers in front of our leaders because that's what they want to see. Like you said, we can talk all day long about, what the benefits to me or what the smaller benefits are, but if there's no numbers or if we're not able to show some type of reporting, it's a little bit more difficult to tell that story. And the ability to have some custom data exports as well. Nikki has been really helpful in helping me navigate what specifically we want to be able to get out and how we can pull those into some reporting. And lastly, I'll just touch on the integration with Microsoft Teams and Outlook. Those were non-negotiables for us as well. So having a platform that was integrating into the systems that our teams are already using on a day-to-day basis rather than having to go pull it off of another website or an app has helped with participation and adoption and ease of use of the program. And I think that was kind of the last box that we were looking to be able to check.